in for the water to the sink, and we have two hoses. So we
Right.
think
I've
that.
seen,
Sorry?
I have a hot.
So we think that these two hoses connect like this.
Right.
So this is
On
gonna.
the faucet. The kitchen faucet.
Oh my gosh. Sorry. One sec. So like this. And it should be secure.
That connected to the kitchen faucet. Trying to go.
But then the other end is
Right.
this
That's not good. That's
and this.
okay. No, that's not right at all.
Oh, okay.
What I'll do is I'll send you a link to Home Depot where you can get the quick connect.
Okay.
It's a quick connect connector that'll go to your sink.
Mm-hmm.
And it should be, if I'm not mistaken, they have it's like a hose that comes off the kitchen sink and it goes into two. Some of your portable washers only work with cold water.
Right. This has two entrances, one for hot and one for cold.
They didn't give you the manual for that?
Yes, I sent you the link with the manuals and the spec and everything.
Saw that, but did you get the actual manual with the washer?
Oh, yes. I don't have it here handy, but I do have it.
I was going to say, if you didn't have it, I can look it up for you and send it to you if you didn't have one.
Thank you.
But yeah, what I'll do is give me a few minutes and I'll text you the link to Home Depot so you know exactly what to get.
Okay. And which end should connect to this?
Well, the one you're going to get, it's going to be a hose. It's going to go. That's the right one for your hot and cold right there. That end, the one on the right.
Oh, okay. All right. And should it connect to the cold or the hot?
Well, it should only go to the cold. But let me see if I can. If the link I'm going to give you, it should be a dual hose, so it'll hook up. But I'm pretty sure it only works on cold. But let's see what happens because the hose is going to come off your. It's going to come off your kitchen sink, and it's going to hit two hoses, and it'll go to your hot and cold.
Oh, got it. So
I'll send you the link, and then you just tap on that, and they should have it in stock at your local Home Depot.
Okay. Thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome. Good luck with it.
All right. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Bye-bye.
Yeah.